How to delete messages for everyone in Messenger. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Messenger application on your device. Once you open up, you will be able to see the chat box or your conversation with your friends. So you need to first select the conversation with the person in which you want to delete the messages. Once you select, you will be able to see all of the conversations. From here, you need to select the message. So in order to delete message for everyone, you need to press and hold the message, and you'll be able to see the more option in the right bottom corner. You have to simply tap on that, and you have to go for remove, and two options will be displayed, which is on send and remove for you. So on send means removing message for everyone, so you have to simply tap on send, and by doing that, the message will be deleted for everyone. So this is how you delete message for everyone in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.